What up, Snackies? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, guys. Today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, today we have a sushi mukbang, and our sushi mukbang was inspired by Honey from Bougie Palace. Hold on, y'all. I dropped the trash. Let me pick it up. All right. So, guys, without further ado, let's snack. So I have a classic California roll that was supposed to have blue crab on it, but it has imitation crab on it. Because I thought it was gonna be something different. Like, oh, they said blue crab in their description. And then I have a dragon roll with no Masiago. I have some spicy mayo and some eel sauce, and I have my own low sodium soy sauce. I do have some crushed up Flamin Hot Cheetos here in the back. I already coated the dragon roll, but I did not coat the California roll because I wanted to show you guys what I did. I'm hungry, y'all. Let me shut up. Let me get me a little wasabi. I love wasabi, guys. So dip it in the, oh, it's not as creamy. First, I'm gonna clean my, let me cleanse my palate with this ginger. I'm gonna get some of this eel sauce and let's nut. Y'all, this is so good. This sushi, y'all, in our Snackies cup. I'm putting some Mike's Hard Lemonade in here. Mike bought me these this weekend. I'm gonna see what it's talking about. It's the strawberry one. Okay, so I was gonna say it's supposed to be twist off. I have my reusable ice cubes in here. And I have some water too, y'all. Got my water. But y'all know these so low in alcohol. I want to see if it tastes like really what it tastes like. Let me just get me a regular Okay, act like you know how to use these chopsticks, girl. I'm gonna do the spicy mayo. Mix with a little eel sauce. Eel sauce is my favorite. Yep. That's your regular old traditional California roll. I need some more. You know what? I had a spoon up here. I don't know what I did with it. I should have left it. Because if you get a little bit too much wasabi, you can find yourself in a situation. You know. Alright, y'all. So, let me show y'all how I did this. Because this is already on. I crushed these up, not in a processor like everybody else did. Because my blender is in storage, so I just rotated it like this so y'all see what I'm doing. Rotate. Oops. Okay, so that fell apart on me. Okay, no problem, we still gonna eat this. And I love hot Cheetos. I eat them all the time. But I actually of lately have tried to dial back because I was getting out of control, y'all. I'm getting too out of control. I want this in the eel sauce. Okay, feel like I got a little flow now. How y'all doing? What's good? What's popping? What y'all got going on? Snack, snack, snack it up. Snack, snack, snack. I'm actually gonna release this video as a bonus video for this week because I was not planning on doing this. I actually was not planning on doing it, but honey told me that this will be so easy for me to do. I might as well do it. So this came from Bluefish Sushi Thai. They have the most bomb atmosphere. I went immediately after seeing a client. I called in my order. When I got there, it was ready. And there were, yeah, it was, oh crap, I didn't mean to drop it all the way in there. I get some, what you call it, it was already ready. They really stick to the blue theme since they're called Bluefish. The lighting in the restaurant is blue. So bomb. I was like, okay. I told him, I said, I'm gonna do a review on y'all. I don't even see if they well, you can order online too, I guess. I might have to do a lot of editing on this video. Right here, y'all, I mixed some hot Cheetos with my ginger. Woo! Could y'all even see these little sauces? Oh, this fell apart. I picked it up the wrong way, that's why. That was my fault. I'm kind of like low-key annoyed that they wasabi is this color green. I'm used to my wasabi being, but I don't know, maybe it's like a little bit more greener than this. Let me give y'all a bite. I'm so rude. Let me get y'all a bite of this. Y'all want some eel sauce? Y'all want some spicy mayo? Eel? Okay, good pick. Not too much. I don't want that to fall. Here you go. And it drop. I gotta clean that up. It's on the cloth. Ah, crap. Alright. Put some of this up in there. Ooh, that was a lot of wasabi. That should be good though. Y'all can't have no combo. I can't have a conversation. Just go around because this video gonna be short. Real short. I project because it's already a 15. Oh, child. Alright, so how many of y'all gonna actually try this? I want y'all that's gonna actually try it. Y'all that's actually want to try it. Go follow me on Instagram. So you can screenshot. I mean, send me a picture. Send me a picture of your sushi with hot Cheetos over it. Okay. Pause for the watercolors, y'all. I gotta try this hot strawberry lemonade. That eel sauce just gets so sweet. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna pick this up with the excuse me. Let me the little bit of wasabi that is left. Put some on there. All right, let's taste this before we finish our last one. Nice hard lemonade. Well, strawberry. It is actually refreshing. There's only 5% alcohol in there, y'all. Sweet. Save the best for last. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Y'all want the last bite? You know I got you covered. Too bad I don't really like the spice in it. I'm never really a big fan of spicy mayo for some reason. I don't know. Alright, so y'all got y'all hot Cheetos at the bottom, because this will be kind of, you know what? No. Let me roll this to make sure. I want to give y'all the best of the best. Come on. Ooh, excuse me. Rice don't fall off now. All right, Snackies. Let me push this to y'all. Push the plate over to y'all. No, don't fall apart. All right. I'm gonna have to hold this with the chopsticks, y'all. Here y'all go. Okay, now because I didn't. Hands down. TheBomb.com. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, so everybody can know what we got going over here in Team Snackies. Okay? Y'all, thank you for joining me on this mukbang. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.